Spicy grilled shrimp recipe. Hey there, fellow food lovers. Are you ready to turn up the heat and have a flavor explosion in your kitchen? Today, I'm sharing with you one of my all-time favorite summer dishes, spicy grilled shrimp. This recipe is bursting with bold flavors, incredibly easy to make, and the perfect way to spice up any meal or gathering. So, get ready to awaken those taste buds and fire up that grill because we're about to make some shrimp that'll leave you wanting more. Ingredients: serves for the shrimp, 1.5 pounds large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust for heat preference, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the spicy marinade, 1/4 cup olive oil, 3 tablespoons lime juice, freshly squeezed, 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon hot sauce, your favorite brand, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Let's get cooking. Make that magnificent marinade in a medium bowl. Whisk together all the marinade ingredients. Trust me, this is where the flavor magic begins. The blend of tangy lime, fresh cilantro, fiery hot sauce, and a touch of garlic is going to transform these shrimp into something extraordinary. Shrimp prep. Give the shrimp a quick rinse and pat, then dry with a paper towel. This will help the marinade stick nicely. Let the flavor party begin. Toss those shrimp into the bowl of marinade and make sure each one gets a good coating. Cover the bowl and pop it in the fridge to let those flavors mingle for at least 30 minutes, or up to a few hours, for even more intense flavor. Skewer time. Optional. If you're a fan of grilled shrimp skewers, this is the time to get them ready. Soaking wooden skewers in water for about 20 minutes beforehand will help prevent them from burning on the grill. Thread the marinated shrimp onto the skewers, leaving a little space between each one for even cooking. Fire up the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. You want a nice, hot surface to get those shrimp seared and slightly charred. That's where some extra yumminess comes in. Grill 'em up. Lightly oil the grill grates. If you're using skewers, simply place them directly on the grill. If not, carefully toss the shrimp right onto the hot grill. Cook for about 2-3 minutes per side, or until the shrimp turn pink and are cooked through. Be careful not to overcook them, or they'll become tough. Time for the grand finale. As soon as those shrimp are off the grill, give them a quick squeeze of fresh lime juice. The extra burst of citrus will elevate the flavors even more. Serving suggestions. The beauty of spicy grilled shrimp is how versatile it is. Here are a few delicious ways to enjoy this dish. Tacos for the win. Make some epic shrimp tacos with warm tortillas, shredded cabbage, a dollop of sour cream, and your favorite salsa. Shrimp salads. These shrimp are perfect over a bed of fresh greens, with avocado, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette. Flavorful rice bowls. Toss the shrimp with some cooked rice, black beans, corn, and a sprinkle of cilantro. Scrumptious appetizer. Serve the shrimp right off the skewers as a mouth-watering appetizer that'll have your guests asking for seconds. Pro tips for the best spicy grilled shrimp ever. Fresh is best, whenever possible. Use fresh, wild-caught shrimp for optimal flavor and texture. Don't be shy with the spice. Customize the spice level to your liking. If you're a heat seeker, add a bit more cayenne pepper, or even a finely chopped jalapeno to the marinade. Perfect char matters. Get that beautiful, slightly charred look on your shrimp. It adds another layer of flavor and texture. Serve it up. Garnish your spicy grilled shrimp with extra lime wedges, chopped cilantro, or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a pop of color and freshness. I hope this recipe has inspired you to ignite your grills and get those taste buds fired up. Remember, cooking should be a fun and delicious adventure, so don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to discover more exciting culinary creations, be sure to subscribe to our channel for tons of tasty tips and ideas. Let's keep the flavor adventures going.